This AI tool literally helps you talk better during Zoom meetings. It's called Rewind AI, and it listens, summarizes, and suggests what to say next, all in real time. You can even ask it, "What did they just say about pricing?" and it shows you the exact transcript. It's like having a genius assistant sitting in your ear. Would you use this in your next meeting? Follow for more wild AI tools. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such interesting content.